the backs. Racing Jazz is started with a scramble in front position, moving a bit encouragement. Happy Boomer is right behind in second. Shuttler's Treasure carry over is done on the inside. Star of Manel, then comes Situnet Mapagtiis, while especially Discreet is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have encouragement by about 3 lengths. Star of Manel now in second. Carryover is racing in third. Alongside fourth comes Happy Boomer. Shuttler's Treasure comes next. Situnet, then followed by Especially Discreet, while Mapagtiis now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have encouragement, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Star of Manel remains in second. Happy Boomer in third. Shuttler's Treasure is on the outside. Then comes Especially Discreet. Mapagtiis comes next, then followed by Situnet, while entry number 3 Carryover now running at the tail of the field. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have encouragement is still in control, maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Moving up down on the inside is Mapagtiis. Especially Discreet is on the outside. In between horses is Shuttler's Treasure. Last 50 meters, the curtain closer belongs to encouragement. Mapagtiis, Especially Discreet. And then comes Shuttler's Treasure and Situnet.